In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hyperlink in Slack. If you've ever wanted to make your messages in Slack cleaner and easier to read, using hyperlinks is a simple but powerful trick. Instead of pasting a long, messy URL into your message, you can turn a word or a short phrase into a clickable link. Let's walk through exactly how to do that, step by step. First, start by typing your message in the Slack message box, just like you normally would. Think about the word or phrase you want people to click on. For example, you might write something like, "Here's the document you asked for," and decide that the words "the document" should become your hyperlink. You don't need to worry about the link yet, just get your sentence written out so it sounds natural. Next, use your mouse or trackpad to highlight the text you want to turn into a link. Click at the beginning of the word or phrase, hold, and drag over the text until it's selected. You'll know it's highlighted when the background behind the text changes color. This highlighted text is what will become your clickable hyperlink. Now, go to your browser or wherever your link is and copy the URL you want to use. Usually you can do this by clicking once in the address bar to select the link, then pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Make sure you've got the full link copied, including the HTTPS at the beginning, so it works correctly when someone clicks it. Head back to Slack where your text is still highlighted. With that text selected, you're going to paste the link directly onto it. On most systems, you can simply press Ctrl+V to paste. In many versions of Slack, this will automatically attach the URL to your highlighted text, turning it into a hyperlink. If Ctrl+V doesn't work as expected in your setup, some Slack environments also support the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+U. After pressing that, paste or confirm the link in the field that appears and then apply it. Once that's done, your selected text should now appear as a clickable link. Before you send your message, take a quick look to confirm that the text is underlined or styled like a link. When you're happy with it, press enter to send. Your teammates can now click the neat, clean hyperlink instead of seeing a long URL in the chat.